Friday, isn't it? Friday. So, just an update on last night. So, a storm blew through, but it was only wind. There was lots of lightning and stuff like that, but it didn't rain. And it blew through, and there's a bit of a breeze today. It's cooled the place down. Feels more comfortable. You can actually sit in the tent without cooking. It was 36 degrees in places yesterday. So if you like the heat, it's beautiful, but it's very humid. But this little bit of a breeze now is lovely. So just to give you a kind of update on the aftermath with the ants, in case people, because what I did is I never videoed what I did with the ants and stuff like that and everything. So clearly what was happening was there's a nest in a tree here. There's a tree there. There's 2 trees. There's a nest in one of them. So what they were obviously doing was using the van as a way down, and up and down they discovered that. So what I did was, I have this stuff here, meant to kill. It's fly, ant and wasp spray. I only brought it by chance. I just stuck it in thinking we might need it. So I brought it with us, but what I did was I sprayed them where they were going up the side, and sprayed them because they were getting into the engine compartment and everything like that. So I sprayed them and I killed them all off. And obviously we went out yesterday in the van, so we dropped the roof down to break contact with the tree for a while. So that's what we did. So I was lucky I brought it. It's very effective though, very good, because I killed them all immediately. They didn't last seconds. So very good. And what we've discovered is, because we're getting eaten alive at night, so what we do is when the tent is up, we're spraying the inside of the tent maybe an hour before we go to bed. And this way then, any bugs that are hiding up there will be killed. Christian doesn't seem to be getting eaten, so we have one of those little blue lights, and we leave it on downstairs at him at night, and it's certainly filling up with bugs. So he's either one of these people who just doesn't get bitten, or is that focused? Yeah, either doesn't get bitten, or the blue light's doing the business, and we don't have one up above us, so we're getting eaten. So I think what we'll do is we'll spray, like I said, we'll spray at night. So that's the thing. So the plan today is to just go for a bit of a saunter around, nothing too hectic. Yeah, in a second now. So the plan now today is to go for a spin just around, there's a coast road around the lake, and that's what we're going to do today. So kind of take it ham and cheesy. Show you B's legs. Come look at your legs, B. That's Vanessa's legs from bites.
That's a nasty one down there.
Oh, getting bitten. So, and then blistering.
Yeah.
And perfume out. Not as many. We do have bug repellent in the van, so we have been applying it, haven't we? But the damage is done. You forget to do it, the damage gets done. But it's all part of being away in the heat. Although if you're in Scotland or somewhere like that, you'd be eaten alive as well, you know. So in Ireland, there's parts of Ireland you go to, you'd be eaten alive.
Gardaland.
And you're eating
Hot dogs.
because I was praying for rain. We brought the rainmaker to Italy and it rained. It is bucketing down. Look at them. They love it.